Welcome to Python tutorial from basic to advanced. Today I am going to walk you through the installation of Anaconda, which is one of the most popular platforms for data science, machine learning and Python development. First, a quick note on what Anaconda is. It's a free and open source distribution of Python and R, and it comes with hundreds of useful packages pre-installed like NumPy, pandas and Jupyter Notebook, making it a one-step solution for data analysis and scientific computing. Type Anaconda and click on free download. You can skip registration. And here in this distribution click on download and installation will be started. It is 951 MB. Wait until installation is completed. Once downloaded, open the installer. Click next to proceed through the setup. Accept the license agreement. I recommend installing Anaconda just for your user account unless you need it for all users on the system. Choose the installation location and make sure to leave the default settings as they are, especially the option that says add Anaconda to my path environment variable. It's not recommended. Click install. The installation might take a few minutes. Once it's done, click next and then finish. To verify whether Anaconda is installed correctly or not, we have to open command prompt. Search for Anaconda Prompt and click to open it. Once the Anaconda Prompt opens, type the following command Conda --version and press enter. This command shows the version of Conda installed. If a version number appears, that means Anaconda is installed correctly. Next, type Conda list. This command displays a list of all packages installed in the base environment such as NumPy, pandas and matplotlib. If you see this, it means Anaconda is working properly. Finally, let's test if Jupyter Notebook is working. Type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. This will open Jupyter Notebook in your default web browser. If everything opens as expected, congratulations, Anaconda is successfully installed and ready to use. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching and I hope you found it helpful. Let's meet in the next session where we will continue learning more about Python. Until then, happy coding. Please like, share and subscribe to Philomath Jen.